If you want to resize an image in Photopea quickly and accurately, this tutorial will show you the easiest shortcut to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you want to shrink a photo, enlarge a layer, or stretch part of your design, Photopea gives you a fast transform shortcut that makes the whole process much easier. This is a great trick for beginners and also a huge time saver if you edit images often. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look over at the Layers panel. Before you resize anything, make sure you click the exact layer you want to change. This is important because Photopea will only resize the selected layer, not the entire file unless that is what you choose. So if you are working with a photo, a logo, text, or any other element, selecting the right layer is the first step. Now here is the shortcut you need. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, and T at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Option, and T. This will activate Free Transform and bring up the blue bounding box around your image or layer. Once that box appears, you can see the corner handles, and those handles are what you will use to resize the object. To make the image smaller or larger, simply click and drag any of the corner handles. If you drag inward, the layer gets smaller. If you drag outward, it gets bigger. This makes it very easy to adjust the size visually until it looks right on your canvas. If you want to stretch the image or change the proportions, you can drag from the side handles instead, but in most cases, you will probably want to keep the image looking natural. If you want to lock or unlock the aspect ratio while resizing, hold Shift as you drag. Depending on how you are editing, this can help you keep the image proportions consistent or allow more flexible resizing. This is especially useful when you're working with photos and you do not want them to look distorted. So remember, the corner handles are for general resizing, and the Shift key gives you more control over how the proportions behave. As you resize, you can keep adjusting until the image looks exactly the way you want. Photopea gives you live visual feedback, so you can see the size change in real time. That makes it much easier than guessing dimensions and typing numbers every time. Once you are happy with the new size, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to apply the transformation. If you change your mind before confirming, you can usually cancel the transform and try again, which is helpful when you are still experimenting with the layout. But once you press Enter or Return, the resize is committed to the layer, and your image will stay at that new size. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to resize a single image or layer in Photopea, and once you get used to it, you will probably use it all the time. It is perfect for adjusting product photos, social media graphics, thumbnails, logos, and any design element that needs quick size changes. So let's recap the full process. Select the layer in the Layers panel, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or CMD plus Option plus T on Mac. Drag the corner handles to resize, use Shift if needed to control the proportions, and then press Enter or Return to finish. That is how you resize an image in Photopea using the shortcut method. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photopea tips, editing shortcuts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.